So here we are, we're out dulcing. There's the boys making a long walk out from the cliffs. Randy and the boy. This is one of our favorite snack trees. And this is what it looks like before it's dried. You pick it, shake it off. You take this home, you stuff it into an onion sack before you go. And then you drag it home and you put it out on a bed sheet and you let it dry. Good stuff.
Well, I didn't make it out for the actual collecting of the dulse because I was here looking after great-grandmother so that grandmother could go out with the kids and enjoy dulcing. This is what they collected. It's drying on bed sheets here on the lawn. It's a nice hot day. It's already seems to have dried quite a bit actually. It's fairly crumbly at this point. I don't know how much dulse that's going to result in, but it looks like quite a bit by my eye based on having bought dulse many times. It's going to be yummy. We're going to take it back to Ottawa with us. It's too bad that I don't have any videos of collecting the stuff, but I believe my wife said she made some, so I'll post those if I can.